see all those marvelous animals?
Good morning. Yes, we were lucky.
You know, in Spain, we don't have such a huge variety of animals.
But you have bulls and you have bullfights.
And matadors. Do they really run away from the bulls?
Yes, but if an angry bull catches up with them, it can be extremely dangerous.
I would like to see that.
To the U.S. As we rockin', that's contagious. Monkey business outrageous. Just confess your girl admits that we the shit.